Welcome to this week's episode of Debriefing Design. This week, we're throwing back to a project that was a pure collaborative effort with our clients. In this episode, we'll show you how we saved our clients tens of thousands of dollars and helped them pre-plan for a complete renovation on their 1950s traditional cottage, then caught back up with them after they executed the remodel to see how our design changed the way they lived. This is Operation Full Brass. Our clients had interviewed a couple of other designers prior to our first meeting. They were having growing pains as the existing layout of their house was very chopped up and lacked adequate storage for their growing family. The previous designers recommended adding onto the house in order for our clients to gain the space they needed, but there was an outdoor entertainment area and a pool in the backyard that would have to be accommodated for. Walking into their property for the first time, we couldn't be more thrilled about the saturated rich colors and patterns throughout the home. The kitchen cabinets were a dark hunter green, the hall bath had a dark navy damask wallpaper, and the playroom had original parquetry flooring. Having been built in the 50s, there were beautiful gilded fixtures that didn't complement our client's style, and also ancillary spaces that were no longer utilized, like the original telephone station outside of the hall bath. We sympathized with our clients regarding the lack of storage. The master bedroom had two tiny reach-in closets originally designed as his and hers. However, due to the lack of space, the husband ended up having to share the hall closet with spillover craft supplies. After our initial walkthrough, it became very apparent that the center core of the house was a problem area. We asked our clients to give us a chance to prove our suspicions that their house indeed had enough room to ease their growing pains and absolutely did not need to be added onto. Shocked at our plea, our clients agreed to give us a chance to prove our theory. Design tip. We typically do not recommend building an addition onto a house unless absolutely necessary. When you're adding onto an existing structure, there are many factors to consider. First, the foundation needs to be extended and tied into the existing foundation. Second, the roof structure also needs to be added onto the existing roof. Finally, the HVAC needs to be rerun to provide air to the new space, sometimes requiring a new system depending on the size of the addition. After these three basic requirements, we often find that the base cost associated with any kind of addition starts at $50,000 easily, not including the finish out. To achieve our design solution, we concentrated on reappropriating the square footage in a central part of the house so our clients would not need to spend frivolously on modifying the exterior structure of the home. In the first iteration of our proposed design, we suggested eliminating the bar and closet in the playroom in order to free up the space in the garage for our clients to park both of their cars. We converted the space from the oversized hall bath into her master closet and expanded the size of the master bath to include his and her vanity areas and a freestanding shower with a built-in seat. We combined the space from his closet with the hall closet to create a new walk-in closet for the husband. Since our clients moved into the house, they had made some infrastructure updates to the property. They eliminated the traditional water heater and installed a tankless water heater in the attic, freeing up the space in the existing laundry room, along with moving the furnace into the attic. This, along with the extra space from the telephone station, unlocked the extra square footage we needed for the new hall bath, which is modeled after a long powder bath with an addition of a bathtub. In the leftover HVAC closet, we planned for a new laundry room. Lastly, we eliminated the wall between the kitchen and dining room to gain a breakfast peninsula and create an open layout between the living, dining, and kitchen areas. After reviewing our preliminary sketches, the clients were speechless. They couldn't believe we were able to achieve all of their requests without adding onto the square footage of their home. We made some minor tweaks based on their requests and finalized a new layout of the house. Upon completing our space plan design, the clients went ahead and selected their own fixtures and materials for the interior finish out and worked with the contractor directly to execute the design. Some of their choices included champagne brass plumbing fixtures, gray cabinetry, new seated glass front door, leathered granite countertops, and brass decorative light fixtures. Did you know there are several finishes available for natural stone? Depending on your style, preference, and budget, sometimes one finish may be a better choice for your needs. The most well-known finish is polished, which has a shiny reflective surface. Often, when clients do not want the high reflective shine of the polished finish, but still want a smooth surface, we recommend a honed finish. Leathered is a great way to make an inexpensive material feel unique, as the surface texture feels like leather. We recommend a flame finish when slip resistance is necessary, for instance, when natural stone is used on the floor. The surface texture becomes rough after being heated up with flames. Some additional changes we recommended throughout the remodeling process were reusing the existing built-in cabinets in the playroom and adding new doors, and removing the gridded half wall by the front door to make the entrance of the house feel more open and inviting. Thanks for joining us this week on Debriefing Design. We hope you've enjoyed seeing how we were able to help our clients pre-plan for their full home remodel to give them ideas on how to better utilize their space. We are passionate about helping our clients save money and especially thrilled that we helped them cut tens of thousands of dollars on this project by showing them that an addition wasn't necessary to achieve their dreams. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback about this project. Let us know what type of project you would like to see next. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for new episodes. Operation Full Brass, case closed.